Check out this armrest in this Audi A4. It's all kinds of messed up. These rods right here are not supposed to be exposed, and they've been eaten into this plastic here on top. See, this is supposed to slide in and out, but no, it's just moving these rods in and out. So let's show you how to remove and replace just this armrest lid. So first we have this panel right here. We can start by gently pulling it. There's clips on the side of it. Kind of walk our hand up around the top there. You see, and it just pops right off. You see the clips. You need to be careful with them. Kind of, oh look, that one was broken. Well, I already took one of these apart and the other one didn't break, so I'm just going to assume that I didn't do that. That's always the safest thing to assume. So now we have these T25 bolts right here. So we're just going to take these out. And now, see, it just pops right off. I'm going to see if I can salvage this good lid, even though it has a bad track mechanism. So follow me to this other car. So I've got both lids here. You see the one on the left here is the one that's supposedly broken, but really it's just missing this end cap. It just looks like this end cap holds these slide pins in. So I'm going to try to remove this end cap, put it in this damage-free one, because you see the reason why I popped this one off was because I got a cut here. So let's try to pop this end cap out, and you're going to want to pay attention to that end cap so that yours doesn't fall out and do damage to your center console like mine had damage. Looks like it's just a tab in the middle. There might be a couple, looks like these might pull back on the side here. Should I go ahead and try it just like this? So that just pops right out, and then what happens is you can potentially get these rods to come loose, and that pops out very easily. So might even be a good idea to pop this thing out preemptively and put some epoxy or RTV silicone or something like that so it stays in place. Anyway, now I'm going to push these back in, see if they fit in. There's little slots there. We're gonna have to make sure that these go all the way in the end here. I'll get it set. Since the rods are connected with that track, I just had to go back and forth and push them in. That's all the way flush. Now I'm gonna pop in this cap and we're gonna see what happens. I'm just gonna wing it, and I'm not gonna put any silicone or anything on this one, but you could get creative if you don't want yours to pop out. That's actually the first time I've seen that happen before, so now we're gonna just put this back in its track and screw it back in on those top two bolt holes. So you see, when you slide this back in, you just need to make sure that the armrest goes underneath these slots right here, and then it just bolts right in, and that's how you peel it off as well. You pull it up and slide it out. So let's take our new one and pop it right in. See those tabs all the way at the bottom of the frame? You're just gonna set it flush and set it right in, and then pick it back up. Now bolt it in place. Now we're gonna take our cap and we're gonna take our bottom cover right here, and we're just gonna set it right smack dab in the middle and push it flush into place. Make sure it's clipped all the way around. Push these bottoms in, and there you are, a fresh armrest. Much better than my torn up old one. Like and subscribe for more videos.